Now we talk about the trigonometry function. This is a unique circle. Unique circle means this reading is 1. So this one is x and this one is y. So this theta, sin theta equal y over 1. So cosine theta equal x over 1. This equal y, this equal x. This is tangent. Theta equal y over x. So it means cosecant theta. Cotangent theta. So this cosecant theta, it means reciprocal of sin 1 over y. This secant theta is reciprocal of cosine theta, y over x. And cotangent it means reciprocal of tangent theta, x over y. So here is the right angle. We let height, this is theta. We let this side, adjacent side is A. Opponent side is B. And the hypotenuse is R. So here, sin theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cotangent theta. So here, sin theta is opponent side over hypotenuse, B over R, cosine A over I, tangent B over A, cosecant R over B, secant theta, R over A, cotangent theta, A over B. And here is the coordinate. This first quadrant, this second, this third quadrant, this fourth quadrant. It means trigonometry function everyone and this quadrant is positive for all. This for sin. And this one is tangent. And this one is cosine. Sin also cosecant, tangent, cotangent. This positive. This secant.